students, welcome back to online classes once again. Today I will teach you chapter 3 International Number System. Students, already I have taught you Indian number system. In Indian number system we have lakhs, crores, etc. as periods. But in international system, instead of lakh and crore, we have millions and billions as period. Understood? It is place value chart of international number system. Ones, thousands, millions and billions are period of numbers. In international number system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. All these are the places of the numbers, and ones, thousands, millions and billions are the periods of numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million comes under millions period, and billion, 10 billions and 100 billions comes under the billions period. Understood? Let's see example. Number is 4, 6, 3, 5, 2, 4, 2. And we have to write given number in words in international system. First of all, we will write places of given digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now we will write given number in words. 4,635,000, 635,242, 242. 4,635,242. Understood? Now, how to place comma according to international system? I have told you, we always place comma just after each period. And we know that ones, tens, 100 comes under ones period, put comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000 comes under the thousands period. So, we will place comma just after thousands period. Understood? Now, we will do exercise. Question number 1. Write the numeral and number name each diagram represents in international system. First, already we have done such type of question. In this question, first of all, we will count number of rings. At the ones place, 7 rings are there. At tens place, 4. Hundreds place, 8. At thousands place, 6. At 10,000s place, 3. At 100,000s place, 5. At million place, 6. And at the place of 10 million, 5 rings are there. Now, we will write here 5, 6, 5, 3, 6, 8, 4, 7. Now, after each period, we will place comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Understood? Now, we will write given number in words. 56,536,847. Understood? Similarly, we will do second one. The number of rings at the ones place 4, at tens place 7, at hundreds place 7, at thousands place 6, at 10,000s place 6, at 100,000s place 3, at million place 5, and at 10 millions place 2. So we will write digits and we will place comma just after each period. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Now we will write given number in words. 25,366,774. Understood? Just like first and second, we will do third one. First of all, we will count number of rings. Then we will write number 532 634 654. Then we will place comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, millions. Understood? Now write in words. 532,634,654. Understood? Just like first, second, third, you will do 4, 5, 6 by yourself. Now, question number 2. Write each of the following numbers in the international system and write their number names. Numbers are given here. First of all, we will write given number in international system by placing comma according to international system. First of all, we will write all the digits. Then we will place comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Now we will write given number in international system. 783,456. Understood? Similarly, B. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 3,521,345, 3,521,345. Now E. After writing the given digits, we will place comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 millions, comma, billion. Now we will write given number in words. 1,232,145,678. 1,232,145,678. Understood? And C and D you will do by yourself. Question number 3. Write the numeral for each of the following according to international number system. Also, insert commas to separate the periods. It means number names are given here and we have to write given number name in numeral. It means in the form of digits. A. 6,554,730. For this, first of all, we will write places of digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. At the place of million, we will write 6. At 100,000's place 5. At 10,000's place 5. At 1,000's place 4. 554,000. 730. At 100 place 7. At 10's place 3. And at the unit place 0. 730. 6,554,730. Now B. 24,171,082. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. 24 million. At the place of 10 million we will write 2 and at the place of million we will write 4. 24,171,000. At the place of 100 we will write 1. At the place of 10 we will write 7 and at the place of 1,000 we will write 1. 171,000. 82. At the place of 10 we will write 8 and at the unit place we will write 2. 82. And at the place of 100 we will write 0. 24,171,082. Understood? Just like A and B, C you will do by yourself. Now D. 1,558,364,000. First of all, we will write places of number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 1 billion. At the place of billion, we will write 1. 558 million. At the place of 100 we will write 5. At the place of 10 million we will write 5 and at the place of million we will write 8. 558 million 364. At the place of 100 we will write 3. At the place of 10 we will write 6 and at the unit place we will write 4. 364. And at the place of 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 we will write 0. 1,558,364. Understood? For today only this much. Keep practice at home.